Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. And way back in episode 8, I talked about just a very basic definition of what is the metaverse. And since then, I've been paying attention, trying to learn as much as I can. And I decided, you know what, instead of just posting about this in different groups that I'm in, I probably should document this so that there is somewhere that I can post this to help you and I learn together. So I wanted to share my latest, and I'll attempt to do this within my 2 to 3 minute podcast, which is Legal Marketing Moments, the one you're listening to. Here are my latest thoughts. My research is showing me that companies that offer entertainment, retail, and gaming experiences are the first to invite their customers into the space, this metaverse, which makes sense. And the market was already there for some of these businesses. Plus, it isn't as much of a stretch for customers in these spaces to accept and explore new ways like this to connect. And so I'm digging around to learn more about the business and professional services applications for this, as I think we're still early stage in expecting clients to work hard to meet with us there. This doesn't mean it isn't happening, because it is, or that firms and businesses shouldn't be aware and exploring, but I think we have to make all of this a lot easier on our intended audiences to see mass adoption. Now, when I listen to this in, several months or several years, I may laugh at this because things will have drastically changed. But as I said, we're learning together. The premise that the metaverse, and I like this thought, the premise that the metaverse is a complement to or another layer of the way firms and businesses do business is a concept that I think is important at this stage. Creating experiences for our communities, whether they're internal or external, is going to cause the metaverse to be more attractive to non-users or skeptical users. If we can move around and feel like we're traveling together or we're meeting one another in a common space, then we have something that does change the traditional online meeting experiences we have today. And if we can help those who can't travel to our events feel like they're sitting in the same space, listening to the same speakers, same managing partners, colleagues, clients, VIPs, or reviewing documents while sitting at the same table, then we've moved the needle to be more inclusive and welcoming, not to mention innovative. I will keep you up to date as I continue to study, because I'm a researcher by nature on these sorts of topics. I'm inquisitive, skeptical by nature, but yet I want to be innovative enough and I'm curious enough to implement what makes sense for you. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com, or just leave a comment. All right, take care. Talk to you next time. Enjoy the rest of your day.